Let's see how you can easily buy a digital file from this Telegram store. First, start the bot by pressing Start. Now, tap on the Store button from the main menu. Here you'll see the store's web app. Open it with just one click. At the top, you can browse through different categories. Choose the one you need. And then select your product. On the product page, you can adjust the quantity if you'd like more than one, then simply add it to your shopping cart. Once you're ready, go to your cart to review your order. If you have a discount code, you can enter it here. If not, just continue. Next, you'll be asked to fill in the required information that the admin needs to process your order. This might include your name, email, or other details. After that, it's time for the payment. If the store supports online payments, you can complete your purchase instantly. If not, you'll see the wallet address provided by the admin. Make the payment to that address, then upload your receipt or transaction code directly in the bot. Once the admin confirms your payment, your digital file will be delivered right away. That's it. Fast, simple, and secure shopping, all inside Telegram.